Picture this. You're cruising down the road, enjoying the scenery, the sun is shining, the wind is in your hair, and everything seems perfect. Suddenly, you feel a thump, followed by a disconcerting wobble in your vehicle. Your smooth ride is abruptly interrupted. Your heart sinks as you realize you have a flat tire. The once enjoyable drive now turns into a stressful situation. This situation, while inconvenient, is a reality for most drivers at some point. Flat tires can happen anywhere, anytime. Knowing how to change a tire empowers you to handle this common roadside emergency independently. It gives you the confidence to tackle the problem head-on. Beyond the immediate inconvenience, being able to change a tire yourself offers a sense of self-reliance and can even be a lifesaver in remote areas. Imagine being far from help and knowing you can fix the issue yourself. Imagine being stranded on a deserted road with no cell service. Knowing how to change your tire could mean the difference between a minor setback and a major ordeal. It's a skill that can save you time and stress. Furthermore, understanding the mechanics of a tire change can help you identify potential problems early on. Regularly checking your tires can prevent unexpected issues. This knowledge helps prevent further damage to your vehicle and ensures your safety on the road. It's not just about changing a tire, it's about maintaining your car's health. So, whether you're a seasoned driver or just starting, mastering this essential skill is a valuable investment in your safety and peace of mind. It's a small effort that pays off big in the long run. Before you find yourself staring down at a flat tire on the side of the road, feeling stranded and unsure of what to do next, it's crucial to be prepared with the right tools and knowledge. Having the right tools on hand can make the difference between a smooth, efficient tire change and a frustrating, time-consuming ordeal. Firstly, locate your vehicle's owner's manual. This manual is a treasure trove of information and will help you identify the exact location of your spare tire, jack, and lug wrench. Familiarize yourself with how these tools work before you need them. Practice using the jack and lug wrench in a safe environment, so you're not learning under pressure. The spare tire, often stored in the trunk or under the vehicle, should be in good condition and properly inflated. Regularly check its pressure to ensure it's ready for use. The jack is a device used to lift the car, allowing you to remove the flat tire and replace it with the spare. The lug wrench is specifically designed to loosen and tighten the lug nuts that secure the wheel to the car. Make sure you know how to use it effectively. In addition to these essentials, consider keeping a few extras in your vehicle. Media group. Collection of additional car maintenance items. Person putting extra tools in the car trunk at stock and at distribute_equally. Work gloves for hand protection are invaluable, especially when dealing with dirty or sharp objects. A small piece of wood or a sturdy block can further stabilize the car jack, providing additional safety and stability. And a flashlight is essential for nighttime changes or low-light conditions, ensuring you can see what you're doing clearly. Having these tools readily available and knowing how to use them will ensure you're prepared to tackle a flat tire with confidence and efficiency, no matter where you are. Changing a tire involves working with heavy machinery and potentially being in a vulnerable position near traffic. Therefore, safety should be your top priority. Before getting started, find a safe and level location away from traffic. If possible, pull off the road completely onto a flat, stable surface. If you're on a busy road, turn on your hazard lights to alert other drivers. Engage your parking brake firmly to prevent the car from rolling while you work. If you have wheel wedges, place them behind the tires opposite the flat tire for added stability. Never attempt to change a tire on a steep incline or on soft ground, as the car could slip off the jack. If you must stop on a slight incline, try to position the car so the flat tire is on the uphill side. Now that you're parked safely and have all your tools ready, let's break down the tire change process into manageable steps. Step 1. Loosen the lug nuts. Using the lug wrench, turn the lug nuts on the flat tire counterclockwise to loosen them. Don't remove them completely at this stage, just break their resistance. Step 2. Position the jack. Consult your owner's manual for the correct placement of the jack. It usually has a designated spot on the frame near the flat tire. Ensure the jack is positioned securely before proceeding. Step 3. Raise the vehicle. Use the jack to slowly lift the car until the flat tire is about 6 inches off the ground. This height allows enough clearance to remove the flat and install the spare. Step 4. Remove the lug nuts and the flat tire. With the car lifted, fully unscrew the lug nuts and carefully remove them. Place them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Now, grasp the flat tire firmly and pull it straight towards you to remove it from the hub. Before installing the spare tire, inspect it to ensure it is properly inflated and in good condition. Align the spare tire with the car's hub and push it onto the bolts. Hand tighten the lug nuts onto the spare tire to hold it in place. Lower the car back to the ground slowly using the jack. Finally, use the lug wrench to fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to ensure even pressure. Double-check all the lug nuts to make sure they are secure before driving away. Section 5. Common pitfalls, mistakes to avoid during a tire change. Even with a seemingly straightforward task like changing a tire, there are common errors that can lead to frustration or even danger. Being aware of these pitfalls can help you avoid them. One frequent mistake is failing to properly engage the parking brake or using inadequate chocks, which can cause the car to roll off the jack, leading to potential injury or damage to the vehicle. Always double-check the stability of the car before working underneath it. Another error is over-tightening the lug nuts when securing the spare tire. Excessive force can strip the threads or warp the brake rotor. Aim for a snug fit, and once the car is back on the ground, you can give the lug nuts a final tightening in a star pattern. Additionally, using the wrong size or type of jack for your vehicle can result in instability or damage to the undercarriage. Always refer to the owner's manual to confirm the correct jacking points and procedures. Section 6. The finishing touches, after the spare is on. With the spare tire securely in place, you're almost ready to hit the road again. But before you do, there are a few crucial finishing touches to ensure everything is safe and sound. Carefully lower the vehicle using the jack, ensuring the tire makes contact with the ground before completely removing the jack. Once the car is back on the ground, use the lug wrench to tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. This ensures even pressure distribution on the wheel. Place the flat tire, jack, and lug wrench back in their designated storage areas. Don't forget to retrieve the wheel wedges if you use them. It's crucial to check the spare tire's pressure as soon as possible. Spare tires are often neglected and may not be inflated to the correct pressure. Refer to the sticker on your driver's side door jamb for the recommended PSI. Section 7. Regular maintenance, keeping your tires in tip-top shape. While knowing how to change a tire is essential, preventing flats in the first place is always preferable. Implementing a regular tire maintenance routine can significantly reduce the likelihood of finding yourself stranded with a flat. Firstly, regularly check your tire pressure, ideally once a month or before long road trips. Underinflated tires are more susceptible to punctures and blowouts, while overinflated tires can lead to uneven wear and reduced traction. Secondly, inspect your tires for signs of wear and tear, such as cuts, bulges, or uneven tread wear. Rotate your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles to ensure even wear and prolong their lifespan. Lastly, be mindful of road hazards like potholes, debris, and sharp objects that can damage your tires. Avoid driving through standing water if possible, as it can conceal potholes or other hazards. Section 8. Beyond the basics. Additional tips for tire changes. Mastering the basics of a tire change is an excellent start, but here are a few extra tips to make the process even smoother and safer. Carry a small piece of plywood or a sturdy board in your car. This board can be placed under the jack if you're on soft ground, providing a more stable base and preventing the jack from sinking. Invest in a torque wrench. This tool allows you to tighten the lug nuts to the manufacturer's recommended torque specifications, ensuring the wheel is properly secured without the risk of over-tightening. Practice makes perfect. If you've never changed a tire before, consider practicing in a safe environment like your driveway before you need to do it in an emergency. This will help you familiarize yourself with the process and build confidence. Section 9. Congratulations, you're now a tire-changing pro. Congratulations! You've reached the end of this comprehensive guide and are now equipped with the knowledge and skills to tackle a flat tire head-on. Remember, safety is paramount, so always prioritize finding a secure location and taking necessary precautions before starting the process. By following these step-by-step instructions and incorporating regular tire maintenance into your routine, you can confidently handle this common roadside emergency and get back on the road safely. And who knows, you might even find yourself the hero of the day by assisting a fellow motorist in need. So, keep your tools handy, stay prepared, and drive with peace of mind, knowing you can handle whatever the road throws your way.